A boy sits alone in a dim apartment. The electricity bill sits unopened on the table, because opening it changes nothing. He works 60 hours a week and still feels like he's losing a war he doesn't even understand. He is not lazy, he is not stupid. He is simply untrained. And that is where every great anime arc begins, not with the hero at his strongest, but at his most broken. In Naruto, the future's greatest ninja starts as the village's biggest joke. In Demon Slayer, Tanjiro begins with nothing but grief. In Haikyuu, the shortest player becomes the most dangerous weapon on the court. The pattern is always the same: weakness, awakening, training arc. And here's what schools never taught you. That pattern is the exact psychological structure of every self-made person who has ever broken free from financial mediocrity. So let's talk about leverage, the word they should have taught you instead of algebra. Leverage is the anime power system of real life. When Goku multiplies his base power, he doesn't just punch harder, he punches smarter. In the real world, leverage looks like this: your skills multiplied by systems, multiplied by time, creating output that far exceeds what your hours alone could ever produce. The person who works 4 hours on a leveraged business earns what another person can't earn in 40. Not because they're special, because they learn to use the right power system. But here's the emotional truth no one talks about. The hardest part of the training arc isn't the training, it's the identity shift. Our boy doesn't just lack money, he lacks the belief that wealth is something he is allowed to have, that the rules of this game can be learned and then mastered. This is the real villain, not debt, not low income. The voice inside that says people like me don't build wealth. The moment he silences that voice, everything changes. He starts learning one skill. He protects one slice of his income before spending a single rupee. He begins thinking not in days, but in decades. And slowly, he becomes dangerous. Here's your takeaway. Write this down. Financial freedom is not earned by working harder inside a broken system. It is earned by understanding leverage and placing your effort where it multiplies. Build skills the market pays a premium for. Automate your savings before your lifestyle inflates. Invest in compound habits, because compound habits, like compound interest, become unstoppable over time. You are not at the end of your story. You are at the beginning of your training arc. The confusion you feel is not weakness. It is the moment before the awakening. Every financially free person had one quiet, defiant decision. I'm going to learn how this works. That decision is yours right now. The arc is yours. The training starts today.